What's up, Cripple Crew? This is EDC with DBD, Disabled But Deadly. And I was trying to figure out how to step the pocket check game up after the motorcycle. So the wife took me out on an awesome date for my birthday on this river cruise here. And the carry for today's river cruise is the Civivi Elementum OG button lock, Civivi Elementum 2 button lock, the fixed blade Elementum, if we can get that to show up, and the mini fixed blade Elementum Damascus. Hope everybody has a fantastic day. Stay safe, stay frosty, stay deadly.